Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So today's video is just one of those silent videos, so I will just be telling you what I've been doing. I'm not watching the video, I'm just talking and then turning the video into a audio clip and then transporting it into the video program. So I'm just going to try to remember what the clips I recorded in order. So the first one was just finishing a plug circuit, putting the last wire in to the plug circuit, and then coiled that up, and that's going to be going across the room once they built the wall. So I just coiled that up in the ceiling. And then the second clips, I think, were the FSD wires again, so the fire dampers. Working on those on the third and second floor, so finished those up. I think that's all of them. I don't think there's one on the first floor. And then from there, I went ahead and moved some wires on the 6th floor, and that's because they built that box in the bathroom again. I don't even know what it's for, but my wires were running right through it, so I had to take apart the two lighting circuit wires. So I had to take both of the power wires out and then rerun them because they were too short to go up and around the top of the rectangle box that they have on the wall. So I took those 3 boxes apart, rewired those 2 wires, and then remade up all 3 boxes. And then, if I'm thinking correctly, the last thing that I did was go down to the 4th floor and continue where I was left off on Friday, which was running the wires on the 4th floor, roughing in there. I think that's part of like a kitchen or something. So running the home runs, and then connecting the circuits together when needed be, if there's more than one plug on a circuit. So that's what I did there, and I think that about wraps up the video. And also the giveaway, I don't think I heard back from the winner, so it's going to be going to the next person in line, so I'll probably be making another video about that, so be on the lookout. So hopefully we can give away something. I guess it's harder than it looks these days, but anyways, if I don't hear back from the 3rd or 4th person, then I will be doing another video, and I'll just be repicking the winners and deleting the people that didn't get back to me, so your chances keep increasing. So anyways, thanks for watching the video, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you back here tomorrow, and that'll about do it. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.